Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Combine 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1/2 cup water to form a soft dough. Work the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops gluten for pliable chapatis. Knead on a lightly floured surface, and then rest the dough covered for 15 minutes so the gluten relaxes and rolling becomes easier. After resting, divide the dough into 4 50-gram balls and roll each into a 6-inch round for even cooking. Spread 1/4 cup pizza sauce over each 6-inch chapati, leaving a 1/2-inch border to prevent sogginess and ensure crisp edges. Sprinkle 50 g grated mozzarella evenly and add 10 g chopped onions and peppers for a balanced topping. Use cooked or raw toppings depending on preference. Lightly press toppings so they adhere without overloading the chapati, and avoid more than 1 tablespoon of oily ingredients to keep the base from becoming greasy. For a crisp finish, keep the layer. Heat a skillet over medium-high and cook each top chapati for 2 minutes covered so the cheese begins to melt and the bottom crisps without burning. Flip carefully and cook 1 minute on the second side until cheese is fully melted and edges show golden brown spots. Adjust heat to avoid charring. Remove and let rest 30 seconds, then slice. Serve hot with chili flakes and a 1 tablespoon olive oil drizzle, or a light sprinkle of dried oregano for immediate flavor and contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.